You ready, Lulu? I'm gonna tell them about you. Alright? Here we go. Do 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 do. Oh, I lose patience, act the fool. Someone sweet nose keeps its cool. I take a new look and I see my dog brings out the best in me. Oh, when I'm tempted to do wrong, someone's big eyes keep me strong. We must be proud of what I'll be. My dog brings out the best in me. There are roads that could be taken, but I'm feeling beat. 4 paws mark the trail, 1 wag of that tail, and I'm back on my feet. We get achy in the joints, and this old life disappoints. We keep on hanging happily. My dog brings out the best in me. Four paws mark the trail, 1 wag of that tail, and I'm back on my feet. When we're napping side by side, and we're drifting deep and wide, I'm going somewhere and she is too, wild and free. From now till we're a memory, my dog brings out the best in me. Ooh, 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 She's my baby.